Well, folks, look at this photo I'm showing to you on our beautiful screen here. This is from west of Hillsboro. Mary shared this one with us of what looks to be a wall cloud, or actually a shelf cloud, I should say, as that's the leading edge of a storm. This storm was potent as it made its way near the Hillsboro area, but you can see the leading edge of that. That's where the strongest winds are when a storm is moving toward a certain area. But look at that rain. A lot of rain, a heavy downpour associated with that storm near the Hillsboro area. And of course, if you have any rainfall reports of what you've gotten so far, feel free to share those with us on Facebook, or of course upload a photo of your rain gauge to valleynewslive.com. Severe thunderstorm watch continues until 10 p.m. I'm watching very closely as how you see kind of this clearing sky out here with some sunshine moving in here, with still some humidity, some heat. Still can't rule out some activity ongoing in the southern valley, but most of the active weather right now is in our northern Minnesota neighborhoods. You can see that all the way from the Canadian border all the way down to Wilmar is what we're seeing. So we'll take a close look in here from, say, north to south. And we'll see from Thief River Falls, got a report there of some rain at this point, some rain and a little bit of a breeze there with those storms moving through down toward Fertile, seeing some heavier downpours this time as well. This is all kind of heading toward the Oakley and Fosston area, and eventually off toward Grigla as well. Then further south into portions of Otter Tail, Becker County, and out toward Hubbard and Wadena counties, seeing another cluster of some storms this hour as well. Not severe, but you can see a lot of lightning occurring with this. So if you are outdoors, head indoors. So lightning is very unpredictable, and there's a lot of it occurring with these heavy downpours. But again, some much needed rainfall for those folks across Lakes Country. Going up toward the north near the Devil's Lake area from Langdon down toward Michigan and Mackville, seeing some more of those heavier showers. Notice there's not much lightning being detected here from the Larimore area down toward New Rockford. This is just some heavy soaking showers that we're seeing right now moving through our northern North Dakota neighborhoods. And there's the low pressure system that we're still watching very closely. A lot of rainfall there in the exceptionally dry central part of North Dakota. So much needed rainfall they're seeing out there. And I do expect that to continue to make its way even through the Devil's Lake Basin as we continue through the rest of this evening. But tonight, I'm still watching our northern Minnesota neighborhoods. Our tornado index does show, as we continue through the rest of, say, after dinner time and toward 10 o'clock, still some spin in the atmosphere to where we still could see a spin up tornado in this particular setup that we're seeing. So of course, keep that VNL weather app handy in case any warnings or tornadoes are spotted. Here's what we're watching. Those temperatures out in Minnesota, still in the 70s, near 80 in Fargo, so still plenty of heat out there. It's not till you get to Minot that you see that cooler air moving in behind this low pressure system. But the dew points, tropical, downright tropical, 70s for us in Fargo and Grand Forks, 72 that dew point in Fergus Falls, Wadena, Bemidji, Alexandria. So those storms are moving into an area of a lot of moisture. So that's ideal for these storms to still continue to strengthen. Much drier air though out toward Minot behind this front. So here's what we're looking at for the hour by hour. Notice by 9 o'clock, these are starting to push their way into northern Minnesota and eventually out by, say, 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock out of our eastern neighborhoods. There's the center of this low pressure system bringing some heavier soaking showers to the Devil's Lake Basin from, say, midnight onward into the overnight hours. Still could see a few spotty showers lingering tomorrow morning, but notice the temperatures. Some 40s can't be ruled out up toward the north near the Rolla area. Most of us waking up though to 50s. Northwest wind around 20 miles per hour kicks off in the morning hours and stays with us through the lunchtime hour. We only warm up to 60 by lunchtime on our Saturday. Expecting some sunshine to move in after those showers and clouds exit off toward the north and east. Only expecting high temperatures though in the 60s and 70s for our Saturday afternoon. So that cooler and drier air from Canada really making for a pretty pleasant first half of the weekend. Your hometown forecast shows just how cool things are. Most everybody in the 60s, may even only make it to those middle 60s for those high temperatures in our northern neighborhoods. And of course, we're in the 70s again for Sunday. A windy couple days with both Saturday and Sunday being a bit on the breezy side, but Sunday's wind will be from the south, ahead of the chance of some storms in the evening hours on Sunday. But Stacy, look at that 70s for the rest of the next business week.
Tomorrow is shocking. It's going to be our first chilly Saturday.
Yeah, I'm not saying pumpkin spice lattes, but I'm not saying pumpkin spice lattes.
Okay, you heard it here first.